In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Yahoo mail verification code problem. This issue typically happens during sign-in, password resets, or when enabling two-step verification. So to begin the solution, make sure you are connected to the internet with a stable network. If you are relying on a mobile number to receive the verification code via SMS, poor signal strength or service outages with your carrier can cause delays. Try switching to Wi Fi or moving to an area with better reception. If you are waiting for an email based verification code, refresh your inbox or check your spam or promotions folder, as Yahoo's verification messages can sometimes land there, especially if you are using Gmail or Outlook as your backup email. If you are not receiving the SMS code, confirm that your phone number is still linked and active with your Yahoo account. Go to the Yahoo account security page from a device you are still logged into if possible, and check the listed recovery methods. If your number has changed or you lost access to it, you'll need to update or remove it using your backup email or another recovery option. In case you are receiving the code but it's not working, ensure that you are typing it in quickly and accurately. Codes expire after a short window and won't work once they time out. Sometimes Yahoo will throttle or block repeated code requests for security. If you have requested too many codes in a short time, try waiting 10 to 15 minutes before trying again. You can also restart your device, clear the cache and cookies from your browser, and then attempt the process once more. Another common fix is switching your verification method. If SMS isn't working, Yahoo often gives the option to send the code to your recovery email or let you verify using an authenticator app like Google Authenticator. If you have set this up previously, open your app, find the 6-digit code for Yahoo, and enter it during login. This is often the most reliable method and works even without mobile service. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.